Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 5740 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and into Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 5740 support and search for it. Best result, you come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet 5740E all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And now go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. And then scrolling down, select the HP OfficeJet 5740E all-in-one printer series full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and select download. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you want to go ahead and open up that file to extract it. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then you want to continue with the installation here, depending on your installation preferences, your connectivity type, that sort of thing. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.